I'm Wells Cornett for your Custom Security Tech Tip. In this video we'll discuss replacing the battery in one of your wireless transmitters. Your security system will have several transmitters on various doors and windows, and your keypad will indicate which one of those zones may have the low battery in the transmitter. So if we look at the keypad, my keypad is showing that in zone 10 I have a low battery in that transmitter. So we'll have to know what zone 10 is in your house. In this case, zone 10 is my access door to my attic. So we'll locate that transmitter and then we'll start the battery changing process. To open the transmitter, you can use a small flathead screwdriver like this one. Now here's our transmitter, and I've taken this off of the door just so I can show you how this thing comes apart and goes back together. Place the screwdriver between the tab and the cover, then turn the screwdriver 90 degrees. This should pop that cover right off. Once you've opened the transmitter, grab the battery with your thumb and your forefinger and just pull the battery straight out. Properly discard of the old battery. Now we'll install the new battery. Make sure the positive side of the battery matches up with the positive side of the transmitter. And you can see that positive little plus sign inside the transmitter there. After doing this, I like to turn the battery with my thumb just to make sure it's seated properly in the system. Place the cover back onto the transmitter, and I like to connect the bottom side first and then just push the top into place right over that tab. Once this cover snaps back into place, we'll make sure it's seated properly all the way around that transmitter. If the cover is not seated properly, the system cannot reset that low battery indication. So once we're back at the keypad, we'll have to reset the system, and we'll just punch in our 4-digit code. In this case, my code is 1234, so I'll punch in 1, 2, 3, and 4, followed by the off key. And we'll punch this in again a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by the off key. This should reset the system. It should reset that low battery indication. If for some reason that low battery indication is still displaying on your screen, you'll have to return back to that window or door, open it, and shut it again, and then come back to the keypad and we'll do the reset process all over again. So you'll type in your code, followed by the off key, then you'll type in your code a second time, followed by the off key, and this should reset that light. If for some reason that light is still on, you may have a problem other than just a low battery. If this is the case, go ahead and contact our office at area code 225-927-5535. I'm Wells Cornett for your Custom Security Tech Tip. And as always, with Custom Security, you're never alone.